guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be talking about some weird things actually that I do in my real life, and I hope you guys relate to it. So let's get one thing that I honestly struggle with. I don't know if it's my socially awkward personality or what, but I hate calling people. Like mostly calling, but sometimes texting. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm just the most uncomfortable person when I'm calling someone. I know that I have to call someone, or maybe it's important or stuff, but I'll still be calling them, and I'll be like, I'll be waiting for them, and the phone would be dying. I'll be like, please don't answer, please don't answer. I would be like that. That's just, I don't know why I'm so weird with the calling. And it's like, it's not just the fact that calling people, it's also like when I have to call a restaurant to order something, I'm so awkward. I mean, I know it's that person's job to pick up my order or to pick up my phone and then place my order, but I'm still the most awkward person like with calling. And like I think it's the same with texting also, because I don't know, I will before sending a text, I will look at the text forever, literally forever. I will look at that text and be like, should I put more emojis, or maybe I should write thank you with lots of U's, or maybe this emoji is a little too much. Okay, now after removing this emoji, it looks very formal and it looks like I'm being mean. I don't know why. Like if I have to wish somebody happy birthday and I write happy birthday, enjoy your day or something like that, I'll take 10 minutes to pick an emoji, and then for next 10 minutes I'll pick an emoji, and then for next 15 minutes I'll just look at that text till it makes me uncomfortable, but then eventually I send it, and then I'll regret sending that. I don't know what's wrong with me. Second thing on my list is I don't know how to respond to people. Like I don't know how to respond to, not how to respond to people, but how to respond to people when they compliment me. Like I get so like awkward when people compliment me. Like honestly, like if somebody comments on my picture that I look cute, I mean Instagram and like social media platforms may be okay, but if someone compliments me in real life, I'll just blush for 5 minutes and then just say a weird thanks, thanks, I guess, like something like that. I just get so awkward. Like, dude, they're just complimenting you, just say thank you and move on. But I get so weirded out when somebody compliments me. I don't know how to react. If someone says that I look cute, or I look good, or I look nice today or something like that, I don't know how to respond. It's just like, it's a freaking nightmare for me. Next thing for me is starting a conversation. I don't know what's up with me, but I don't really start a conversation. And it's like literally, I'm not exactly an introvert, but I do have like some introverted traits in me, and that just makes me so awkward. Like I don't know what to talk to people about. Like I don't know, like whether it's good today or how are you doing or something. I just get so awkward. I don't know how to start a conversation. I'm just the worst person. I'm always the one who is like responding to questions rather than asking questions. Or like if I'm comfortable with you, then that's cool, but other than that, if I don't know you well, it's literally so hard for me to start a conversation. I just get so awkward. I get like I don't know, I get like that. I don't know why. A lot of people might relate to that. Is like you won't shut up if you are comfortable with someone. Like that's the issue for me. If I'm not comfortable with somebody, I don't talk. Like so many people have watched my YouTube channel, like relatives and stuff, and they've been like, we were kind of shocked to see you talk so much on YouTube and then you don't really talk in real life. And I'm just like, I don't know you, that's why, I guess, or I don't know you well, that's why. But if I'm comfortable with you, I won't shut up. Like I literally won't shut up. Like if I have somebody who is like I'm comfortable with and I'm having a good conversation, I won't shut up. Like literally, it's hard for me to be like, okay, just like calm down now, because if I'm comfortable, then I just go off like anything. This is the weirdest thing, but I have to relate. I have to put in this video is, please tell me, okay, if you do that too. I have a very like sad song playlist on my Spotify, like some like sad sad, filled with sad songs, and just songs which are like slow and like lyrical and stuff like that. And I listen to them, and even if I'm not sad, I just listen to them and I just feel like, yes, I'm like so like on another level. I don't know why, I just listen to them to kind of put myself through misery for some weird reason, but I do that. And I feel, I don't know, I asked my friends that, like I asked that I have a playlist, do you? So my friends were like, I don't think we have a play, like one of my friends, she said that she didn't have a playlist, but she did have like a few songs she listened to, like sad songs. Please let me know if you do that. Like if you have a sad song playlist that you just play for no reason, just to be miserable sometimes. Like I do that because it's weird, and when I'm like saying it out loud is more weird, but you know, I really want to know if you do that. This list is, I don't know why, but, and it's not just this quarantine lockdown season, it's forever, like it's just me in general. I am a night owl, okay? And it's not just like night owl or just like a morning bird thing, but I just feel better at night. Not feel better, I don't know how to phrase it, but I think I like nights better, and I feel like the energy I have at night, or the vibes of night, or like I don't know how to put it, but I love night time. Like it's so, maybe it's something to do with like my weird personality that I love nights, because it's so much more peaceful. Everybody's sleeping and it's just so nice and peaceful and quiet, and you can do anything. And I get this weird motivations at night to just get up and like do, like clean my room or something like that, or just get my life together, or go for a run at 3 a.m. something. I don't do that, but I get that motivation at night, and then I wake up late, and then I'm just like, huh, I don't want to go for a run anyways, whatever. But I just love nights, and it's just so, I could be literally up all night doing nothing, or like talking to friends. I mean, I don't really talk to friends at night that much, like late night, but still, like nights for me are just the best part. Like I hate daytime because everybody is like always like, there's so much noise. Not really noise, I mean, I'm not talking about just quarantine in general. Days are always busier and everything is like chaos at the day, but night is just, no one cares, and it's just peaceful and quiet and stuff. So let me know in the comment section below if you're a night owl too. So these are all the weird things that I personally either go through or do in my life, and it's so much, I would feel so much better if you could let me know that you do that too, and it would be fun to see more weird people like me. So comment down below if you relate to any of this, or if you do things that I do, and I would love to see what you think about those habits and stuff. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, because that makes me it makes my hard work for editing and thinking of ideas like worth it. And it would be so nice to see you guys thinking that you like my videos and stuff. So that would be like a lot, and that would mean a lot to me. So don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell that you see with the subscribe button as well. I think it's with the subscribe button, because that helps you get notified every time I post videos. And don't forget to give it a like if you do like my videos. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.